How long can a GoPro record continuously before it stops?
Hello and welcome, gadget enthusiasts. Today we're tackling an often asked question. How long can a GoPro camera record continuously before it stops? Understanding this can help you plan your filming activities better and ensures you never miss any action.
Factors affecting recording time.
So, how long can a GoPro record? There's no one-size-fits-all answer as it depends on several factors, such as 1. Battery life. Battery capacity is one of the most critical determinants of your GoPro's recording duration. On a full charge, most GoPro cameras can last between 1.5 to 2 hours of continuous recording. 2. Storage capacity. The size of your memory card also determines how much video you can store. With a standard 32 GB card, for example, you might get around 2 hours of 1080p footage. However, with larger cards, say 128 GB, you could theoretically record up to 8 hours of 1080p footage, or until your battery dies, whichever comes first. 3. Resolution and frame rate. The higher the resolution or frame rate, e.g., 4K at 60 FPS, the more memory space the videos will consume, reducing your overall recording time.
Overcoming recording limitations.
Now, you may be thinking, how can we increase this recording time? Here are a couple of tips. 1. Extra batteries and power banks. Carry additional batteries or a power bank to extend your camera's recording time. However, remember that you'll have to stop recording to swap out the battery. 2. Larger memory cards. To tackle storage issues, use a larger memory card. Remember that GoPro cameras support cards up to a certain capacity, so check your model's maximum limit before purchasing a new card. 3. Optimize resolution and frame rate. If recording time is more important to you than video quality, consider reducing the resolution and frame rate. This will decrease the amount of storage each video file uses. So there you have it. Your GoPro's recording time is dependent on its battery life, the storage capacity of your memory card, and the resolution, frame rate of your video. By understanding these factors and utilizing the tips we've shared, you can maximize your recording time and capture every moment of your adventures. Stay tuned for more tips on getting the most out of your gadgets. Happy filming!